Hello students, now we will discuss some problems on mental ability. Our problem is find the value of 5-digit number which when multiplied by 4 results a number having digits in the reverse order of the given number. For example, A, B, C, D, E is a 5-digit number. It is multiplied by 4. The result is in the reverse order of the given number EDCBA. So we have to find 5 digit mean 5 variables. Now solution is the given expression is A, B, C, D, E multiply by 4 give the resultant number in the reverse order of the given number, that is EDCBA. Now the possible values of A, B, C, D, E are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As they are digits and there are only 10 digits. So value of A, B, C, D, E must be from these 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now A is obtained by multiplying E by 4. That is E into 4 is equal to XA. A is in unit place and suppose in 10th place the digits is X. The digits at unit place in multiplication of E by 4 is A. Now any number multiplied by 4 must be a even number. Therefore, A must be even number or even digits. That is, it can be 2, 4, 6 or 8. As the given number is of 5 digits and the answer is also of 5 digits. Therefore, there is no carry in multiplication of A by 4. That is 4 into A is equal to 4 into A plus maybe some carry is equal to E. That is when A is multiplied by 4 there must be no carry. Therefore, possible value is 2. That is A must be even and also A when multiplied by 4 gives no carry. Therefore, the possible value of A is 2 because for the digits more than 3 multiplied by 4 gives carry. Therefore, the possible value of A is 2. Therefore, the given expression becomes place 2 in place of A, we get 2B CDE multiplied by 4 gives the answer EDCB 2. So we have find one digit A. Now E into 4 is equal to x2 number, that is 2 is at unit place and at 10 place suppose it is x. So E into 4 we get at unit place 2. Therefore, possible values of E are 4 into 3 is equal to 12, unit place is 2, or 8 into 4 is equal to 32, unit place is 2. With all other digits, when multiplied by 4, cannot give digit at unit place 2. Therefore, the possible values of E are 3 or 8. But E is equal to 4 into 2 plus some carry. 4 into 2 plus some carry is equal to E. That is, E must be greater than 8 or equal to 8 if carry equal to 0. Therefore, E cannot be equal to 3. Hence, therefore, E is equal to 8. Now replace E by 8, we get the given expression 2B CD8 multiplied by 4 gives the number 8DCB2. Now 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, there is no carry in 4 into B. There is no carry in multiplication B by 4. Therefore, the possible value of B is equal to 1. Therefore, B is equal to 1. And replace B by 1, we get the expression as 21 CD8 multiplied by 4 gives 8DC12. Now 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. The unit place is 2 and carry is equal to 3. And 4 into D plus carry, 4 into D plus carry 3 must be equal to x1. That is, unit place must be 1 and suppose 10 place is x. Now try the digit. 4 into 3 plus 3 equal to 15. Not possible because unit place is 5. 4 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 19. Unit place is 9. Therefore, it is also not possible. 4 into 5 plus 3 is equal to 23. unit place is 3, therefore it is also not possible. 4 into 6 plus 3 equal to 27, unit place is 7, therefore it is also not possible. Now 4 into 7 plus 3 is equal to 31. Unit place is 1, therefore the possible value of D is equal to 7. 4 into 7 plus 3 equal to 31. The unit place becomes 1. Therefore, unit place is 1. Therefore, possible value of D is equal to 7. And replace D by 7. We get the expression become 21C78 multiplied by 4 gives 87C12. Now again 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 2 unit place carry is equal to 3. And 4 into 7 plus carry 3 equal to 31. Therefore again carry is equal to 3. And 4 into C plus carry 3, 4 into C plus carry 3 must be equal to XC because unit place is C. We want unit place C in 4 into C plus carry 3. Mean 4 multiplied by digit plus 3. We must obtain a number with unit place C again. Let us try from 3. 4 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 15. Now 3 and 5s are not same. Therefore, it is not possible. 4 into 4 plus 3 equal to 19. Again 4 and 9 are not same. Therefore, it is also not possible. 4 into 5 plus 3 equal to 23. Now again 5 and 3 are not same. This is also not possible. 4 into 6 plus 3 equal to 27. 6 and 7 are not same. Therefore, it is also not possible. 4 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 35. 8 and 5s are not same. Therefore, it is also not possible. Now 4 into 9 plus 3 equal to 39. Now 9 and 9 are same. Therefore, 9 and 9s are same. Therefore, the possible value of C is equal to 9. Possible value of C is equal to 9. Replace C by 9. We get the required number 21978 multiplied by 4 gives the result 87912, in which the digits are in reverse order of the given number. Therefore, hence the answer is 21972. 1978. 21978, which when multiplied by 4 gives the number in which the digits are in the reverse order of the given number. You can check by multiplying. 21978 by 4. The answer must be 87912. So this is the required answer. Thank you very much.